everyone, myself Bharat. I'm a Salesforce developer, and for now we will discuss one Salesforce CPQ scenario where if the quantity is greater than 30, then we will give them a 20% of discount. So this kind of scenario can be achieved using the summary variables and the price rules. So for that we will create a new price rule. So let's begin. I'll delete the old price rules. I'll name it set quantity based discount rule, make it active, and the scope will be calculator. I'll put it on all conditions met, save. Now there is 3 sections in the price rules. There is all the details of the rule, price conditions and the price actions. I'll create price conditions for the quote lines. I'll make quote lines, and I'll use summary variable here to sum all the quantities on the quote lines of the quote. I'll name it total quantity on quote. I'll use sum. Target object will be quote line and the quantity field, then save. Now our condition is like quote lines on this summary is greater than, operator is greater than filter type value, and I will make 30. Now we will define the action here. So we need to put discount on the quote level. So I'll select quote, target field will be customer discount, and value will be at 20% of discount. Then save it. Now we will test this. We'll use this existing code where there is no quote lines. As you can see, edit lines, and add products, add calorie conditioner, serum, and select. As you can see, there is no discounts on the quote level. Now I'll make quantity as 32 and calculate. There's 20% of discount is applied, and now as if you reverse it, like make quantity less than 30, then the discount is still there. So for that we need to create a reverse of this rule to reset this discount, and I'll create a separate price rule for that, and I'll name it reverse rule active. Your scope is calculator all, and save. We will define reverse conditions for that on quote line. On the total quantity on quote, now it's less than filter type value 30. Now if less than 30, then we will reset the customer discount with the 0. Save it. Let's get back to the code. Refresh. Add products. Select and so initially it's at 0%. Now I'll make it 35. Calculate. The discount is applied. I'll reverse it like 12. Then calculate. The discount is removed. Again I'll make it 35. Then calculate, and we will do the quick save on this. Okay, now let's get back to the codes. Okay, as you can see, our 20% discount is applied, and so yeah, and the other scenarios we will discuss in the next tutorial. Thank you.